Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Haitian-style potato salad. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, like russet or Yukon Gold, along with 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise. Don't forget fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and bell peppers, all finely diced. We'll also use a couple of hard-boiled eggs and some essential seasonings to bring out those vibrant flavors. This easy guide will help you create a truly delicious dish. Now let's prepare our potatoes. After peeling and cubing about 2 pounds of potatoes into 1-inch pieces, place them in a pot of salted water. Bring to a boil and cook until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Be careful not to overcook them, as we want a firm yet creamy texture. Once cooked, drain them well and let them cool completely. This is a crucial step for a great salad. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled potatoes with the finely diced carrots, celery, and bell peppers. Next, add 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs. Now for the dressing. Stir in 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Finally, gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is well combined and coated with the creamy dressing. Be careful not to mash the potatoes too much. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a more delicious and refreshing salad. Serve your homemade Haitian potato salad as a fantastic side dish or a light, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.